Poor posture after 50 isn't just about looking hunched, stiff, or tired. It's something that slowly affects your breathing, your balance, your energy levels, and even how much pain you feel every day. Most people don't even realize how much their posture has changed until they see themselves in the mirror and wonder when their shoulders started rounding forward or when their neck began hanging down. But the truth is this: posture doesn't collapse overnight. It collapses one small habit at a time. And the good news is that rebuilding it also happens one simple step at a time. Today, I'm going to guide you through a complete, gentle posture restoring routine designed specifically for people over 50. You don't need equipment, flexibility, or strength. You just need your body, a little patience, and around 10 minutes a day. This routine uses science-backed mobility work, muscle activation, and breathing techniques that slowly train your spine and shoulders back into alignment. And the more consistently you do this, the more your body naturally resets into proper posture without you even thinking about it. Before we begin, let's understand why posture breaks down with age. After 50, the muscles around your spine start losing strength faster than the rest of your body. The chest muscles tighten, the upper back weakens, and the neck begins leaning forward to compensate. At the same time, years of sitting, phone use, computer work, and daily stress pull the shoulders inward. Many seniors also experience joint stiffness, which makes the body avoid upright posture simply because it feels uncomfortable. When this continues long enough, it becomes your default shape. But here's the part most people don't know. Your posture is not fixed. Your brain constantly updates its idea of what normal is. If you teach it a better normal, your body automatically follows. That's why the exercises in this routine aren't random movements. They are signals that tell your brain and muscles how to restore alignment naturally. Let's begin with the first phase, releasing the tight areas. When posture collapses forward, the chest becomes tight and overactive. This pulls your shoulders inward and makes your upper back round. So we start by gently opening the chest. You can stand or sit tall. Slowly pull your shoulders back and down, feeling the stretch across your collarbones. Imagine your chest widening as if you're inviting more air inside. Hold this for a few deep breaths. As you breathe in, picture your ribcage expanding. As you breathe out, feel your shoulders dropping. This simple movement helps reverse years of tightness. Next, we loosen the neck. Many people over 50 experience forward head posture without realizing it. When your head shifts just 1 inch forward, the pressure on your neck nearly doubles. That's why so many seniors feel neck pain, headaches, or fatigue. Slowly tilt your head to one side, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Hold it gently, then switch sides. Now bring your chin slightly down, stretching the back of your neck, and then lift it gently without compressing the spine. These slow motions train your neck to find its natural position. With the tight areas more relaxed, we move into activation. This is where we wake up the muscles that support your posture. When you strengthen the right muscles, upright posture becomes effortless. Start by imagining there's a string pulling your head upward. You're not forcing your spine straight. You're just growing a little taller. Now lightly squeeze the muscles between your shoulder blades. Think of gently bringing your shoulder blades toward your back pockets. It should feel subtle, not forced. This activates the mid-back muscles that hold your shoulders in place throughout the day. Now let's activate the lower back and core. A weak core is one of the biggest reasons posture falls apart after 50. But we don't need crunches or planks. Instead, take a slow inhale, and as you exhale, lightly pull your belly inward, as if tightening a soft belt. Keep breathing normally. This wakes up your deep core muscles, the ones responsible for supporting your spine. When this area switches back on, your entire posture becomes more stable. Now we connect everything with breathing. Proper breathing is one of the most underrated posture tools. When you breathe shallowly, your chest collapses. When you breathe properly, your spine naturally lifts. Try a slow, controlled breath in through your nose. Feel the breath expand your ribs sideways. Then slowly breathe out through your mouth. This teaches your diaphragm, ribcage, and spine to work together again. Many people notice that their shoulders instantly relax just from proper breathing. The next part of the routine is mobility. This keeps your spine moving like it was designed to move. If mobility decreases, posture collapses. But when you restore mobility, your posture improves automatically. Start by sitting or standing tall and rotating your upper body slightly to one side. Keep your hips facing forward. Hold for a moment, then turn to the other side. You may feel stiffness, and that's okay. This rotation helps wake up the muscles along your spine and improves the way your vertebrae move. Now we move into shoulder mobility. Slowly roll your shoulders backwards in big, slow circles. Imagine scraping away the tightness with every roll. If you feel clicking, that's just your joints moving through ranges they haven't used in a while. Then switch to forward rolls, but keep it gentle. This motion restores the natural glide of the shoulder joint and helps reduce upper back rounding. Next, let's work on the hips. You may not realize it, but hip stiffness is directly connected to posture. When your hips lose mobility, your pelvis tilts forward, forcing your lower back to compensate. Stand or sit tall and gently tilt your pelvis forward and backward. Keep it slow. This teaches your hips how to move again and instantly relieves pressure from your spine. Now we bring everything together with the final phase, posture integration. This is where your body learns to hold proper posture even outside of exercise. Let's begin by imagining your entire spine lengthening. Visualize your head lifting, your rib cage expanding, your shoulders resting naturally, and your hips staying neutral. Take a deep breath in, let your belly widen, then slowly exhale and let your shoulders drop. Feel your weight balanced evenly. This is what proper posture feels like. Not stiff, not forced, just aligned. Hold that position calmly. Notice how your chest feels open. Notice how your breathing feels smoother. Notice how your neck feels lighter. This is the posture we want your body to remember. Every time you return to this position, your brain reinforces it. Now I want you to continue this awareness through your day. When you sit, lift your chest gently. When you stand, imagine your head floating up. When you walk, keep your shoulders relaxed and your steps steady. When you use your phone, bring it up to eye level instead of bringing your head down. And when you rest, choose positions that allow your spine to stay neutral instead of curled. Over time, these small adjustments become habits. Habits become patterns. And patterns rebuild your posture from the inside out. Most people start noticing improvements in 2 to 3 weeks, less neck pain, less stiffness, more mobility, better breathing, and a much more confident physical presence. And remember this, posture is not about looking perfect. It's about feeling supported, balanced, and strong. It's about walking into your day with more ease and less discomfort. It's about giving your body the alignment it deserves after years of hard work. No matter your age, your posture can still improve. Your spine can still learn. Your muscles can still strengthen. And you can still feel better than you have in years. Do this routine daily if you can, or at least 4 times a week. The more consistent you are, the faster your body adapts. Think of this as a gentle gift to your future self, a small investment that pays you back with less pain, better mobility, and more independence. Your posture tells your story without words. Let this next chapter be one where you stand taller, move freely, and feel the strength returning into your body every single day.